Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz Arif. I am leader of this group assignment. There are a few members of my group. Nur Halila, Ernie Shafira, Ni Azlina, and Nur Nadia Farhana. Today, we are present our topic assignment, computer banking, as well as online banking. There are a few sessions in our topic. Firstly, introduction. Secondly, type of computer banking. Thirdly, use of online banking. Next, advantage of computer banking. In addition, disadvantage of computer banking. And lastly, conclusion.
Okay, I will start with introduction. For the definition of a computer. Computer is a system for information processing, storing and displaying. For the definition of banking, banking is the business of running a bank. For online banking, the online banking enables a person to use the internet to make financial transactions. Online banking, also known as internet banking, e-banking or virtual banking. Online banking enables banks to handle management accounts and conduct account transfer directly over the internet with the bank. Internet banking, sometimes referred to as web banking or internet banking. Okay, for history of online banking, in 1981, New York City banks test at home banking. The yearly version of what was called online banking started in 1981. As four of its major banks, Citibank, Keys Manhattan, Chemical Banks, and Manufacturers Hanover made home banking accessible to their customers. Next, in 1983, Bank of Scotland instituted first UK internet banking service. The Bank of Scotland provided the first UK internet banking service called Homelink to its customers. People had to connect to the internet to pay bills and pass cash through their TVs and telephones. In 1994, Stanford Federal Credit Unions offered US internet banking. Stanford Federal Credit Union became the first financial institution in the US to offer all of its clients internet banking in October 1994. A year later, Presidential Banks became the country's first bank to give customers access to several other banks, rapidly following the lead of Presidential Bank. Next, in 1996, NetBank is founded. With one of the first truly popular internet-only banks, NetBank, established in 1996 and closed in 2007, the development of internet banking continued. In 1999, Bank of Internet USA is founded. As part of the incorporation of Bull Holding Inc., Bank of Internet USA was officially founded on July 6, 1999, making it America's oldest internet banking. It opened for business on July 4, 2000. For many customers, the convenience and advantages of internet banking have become evident, such as higher internet storage online than with conventional banks, better access to accounts, and to name a few online banking transfers. Next, in 2001, Bank of America has 3 million online customers as the first financial institution to acquire more than 3 million online banking clients. Bank of America made history in 2001, around 20% of its customer base at the time. More individuals have begun to understand the benefits of online banking. Next, in 2006, 80% of US banks offer internet banking. It steadily gained traction in e-commerce as the revolution in online banking progressed. E-banking became legitimate for customers when big names started providing online products and services. Online banking had become popular by 2006. Next, in 2009, Ally Bank is launched. An overwhelming 80% of US banks offer internet banking service. Ally turned GMAC Bank into what we know now as Ally Bank in 2009, entering internet banks only as banks. In recent years, in Go Banking Rate's annual Best Bank ranking, it has repeatedly been named the top online bank. Next, in 2010, online banking is faster than the internet. Fishes, a financial service technology firm, found that online and mobile banking were rising faster than the internet in 2010 report on customer buying and payment patterns. As more invitation and convenience have been issued, online banking has continued to grow. In 2018, online banking is standard practice. Today, online banking has become so popular that consumers, in fact, expect free online banking to be included in accounts, and many banks only operate on their internet, lowering overhead costs efficiently to provide more competitive saving accounts rate and enjoy higher profit margins. Next, online banking security. How accounts stay safe. One of the most common ways for individuals to handle their money is online banking by using encryption and technologies such as secure sockets layer verifying internet banking account operation. Banks ensure internet banking protection for clients. Next, the future of online banking. Online banking has proven it was here to stay, considering the display penetration rate in the early part of internet banking history. Online banking features and services have grown dramatically from the need to use a landline to pay bills in the 1980s to the ability to move money, pay bills, and deposit checks today with only the click of a mouse or on a mobile device.
Next, type of computer banking. Information internet banking basically means that, like a brochure, the bank offers basic information about its goods and service. This is instead of marketing purpose only and not linked to the main computer system of the bank exists. Secondly, online communicative banking. However, this is limited to simple communication such as account inquiries, new account changes, loan of mortgage application, updates and balance of contact information. Online communicative banking can interact with the main computer system of the bank. Thirdly, transactional internet banking. The most common form of online banking provides all the advantage of conventional bricks and mortar institution. This entails complete control of deposit, withdrawal, transactional, alert, and online payment in your account. Increased security measures are now making internet banking, especially in the case of mobile online banking, safe, secure, and convenient.
Use of computers in banking. First, open a bank account. Second, set up your online account. Third, choose a username and password that is safe. Fourth, opt out of paper statement. 5. Learn about the portal your way through. 6. Configure your contact details. 7. Using bill pay online. 8. Apply to the online platform for lines or credit or loans. 9. Check the portal for special offering or notification. 10. Using an application for mobile banking. Avoid using public Wi-Fi by online banking. Next, between account, move money. Then, for any sign of fraud or theft, track your account. And lastly, when banking on your smartphone in a public, stay mindful of your surroundings. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Elni Shafira, matrix number 2020862658. I am from im401. Today, I want to share about the advantages of the computers in banking. There are many advantages of computers that use in banking. Firstly, by using the computers, we can do the online banking. The online banking allows customers to pay bills, view account balance, transfer funds from one account to another account, and much more. Next, the usage of the computers in banking also has a good speed. It is better than we have to go to the bank and use the machine. The online banking via computers have a good speed in retrieving the information of the banking progress or to see the flow about the transaction. The good speed of the computers also will save our time, which is we can do the transaction without have to driving down to a bank and waiting in the line at a bank. With an online banking, there's never have any waiting. As long as you can log in your account, you can access your account, you have the internet, so you don't have to go to the bank or wait at the bank, because a computer can transfer funds around the world just in a couple of minutes. Lastly, by using the computers, you can access the online banking up to 24 hours. Yes, you can just stay at your home and access it at home, as the online banks are accessible for 24 hours. Enjoy your online banking at home during your free time.
My name is Nur Nadia Farhana binti Ismail. My course is Information Management. My class is im401A. I'm from UiTM Rembau. Disadvantage of computers in banking. First, introduction to service and technology. Whenever we use a computer or internet service, we always experience problems related to either the use of technology or system problems. We find it difficult to access accounts online naturally in the event of a problem with internet services. For example, the internet flow is not smooth. This causes us not to be able to do online banking process easily. Similarly, if the bank service is problematic or not available for a while due to the website maintenance process performed, we will not be able to access online to our online banking account. This will complicate us if we need to use it immediately or if there is an emergency. Second, security and identity theft problems. In general, online banking websites and mobile applications are designed to make it easier for users to make payments or bank transactions. These websites and applications are equipped with security features that will protect user accounts. Besides, the security of online banking is also constantly updated from time to time. However, none of the applications or websites have truly perfect and complete security features. There must be a way for hackers to hack and steal other people's banking information. Therefore, users who use online banks need to be careful in accessing their bank accounts. This is because if we misaccess the wrong website, our information will be easily stolen and used by unauthorized people. Third, easy but not always faster. Although it takes some time for the process of depositing checks through the bank's mobile application, we still have to wait for the time to access our money. Online banking gives us convenience in terms of the amount of time that can be saved while on the go or while waiting for a while at the location of the bank branch, but all deposits are reviewed and funds are released for access according to bank policy. This will probably take up to 3 working days depending on the amount of money we save. Fourth, lack of personal banker relationships. Through private banking, we may be able to manage our own general banking needs. But if there is a problem and we do not have any personal relationship with the bank officer, it will probably be more difficult for our problem to be solved. Although online banking websites have a customer service department, we should always call and wait before we can talk to someone who does not know our needs or our banking history. It will be difficult for us when the calls we make are not answered due to busy calls from the bank branch. So we had to wait until our call was answered. Or not, we have to make a call the other day. It will further extend the time period of the problems we face. Lastly, limited scope of services. We can do some things with online bank accounts, such as making deposits, checking balance, and paying bills. But there are some limited things we cannot access. Things like opening a new account, borrowing money, or making a mortgage cannot be done online. Such a thing requires us to go to any such bank branch to do it. Also, although we can transfer money to an account or use a debit card to make a purchase, it will be difficult for us if we need money. However, we still need to go to a bank branch or ATM machine to withdraw money.
Okay, I will continue with conclusion. In conclusion, computers in banking or online banking especially nowadays have numerous advantages. Society is a very advanced age in this day and age and an era that utilize the internet as the primary source used to live their everyday life. In our life, there are different benefits that can be introduced and applied, and there are different drawbacks that need to be studied and often avoided so that they do not impact themselves. Yet machines need to use carefully and cautiously in banking or online banking. This is because in our account there are many scammers who try to take our personal data to take our money. So we need to be vigilant and not easily supply someone with any personal information. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.